Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's solve this geometry puzzle together. A square is inscribed in a circle of radius 1. So we have a square, and the radius of the circle is 1. An isosceles triangle is inscribed in the square as shown. So isosceles triangle meaning these two sides are of the same length. What is the ratio of the area of this triangle to the area of the shaded region? So we first want to find the area of the triangle as well as the area of the shaded region. So let's label our diagram and let's label our center of the circle here. And we extend some lines like that, okay? We are given that the circle has radius 1. So this is length 1 and this is length 1. Okay, so because this is a square, we know that this angle here has to be 90 degrees, okay? So this is a right-angled triangle with two sides as 1. And we want to find its hypotenuse, okay? And it turns out that this hypotenuse is also the side length of the square. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse squared equals 1 squared plus 1 squared. So hypotenuse is the square root of 2. So the square has side length square root of 2. So now that we know the side length of the square is square root of 2, we can find the area of the square. We just square the side length. So square root of 2 squared is just 2. The square roots and the squared cancel out. So we know the area of the square is 2. And the area of the circle, area of circle is pi r squared, and the radius is 1, so pi times 1 squared, so that's just pi. So now that we have the area of the square and the area of the circle, we can find a shaded area, which is just the difference of the two. So shaded area being the difference of circle and the square. So that gives us pi minus 2. Okay, let's highlight this because this will be important. So now that we have found the area of the shaded region, we want to find the area of the triangle. And we are reminded that this is an isosceles triangle. Well, we already know that the base of the triangle is square root of 2, so we're interested in knowing what the height is, right? So the height is this straight line in the middle, and if you extend this line to either the left or the right, you know that the height of the triangle must be equal to the side length of the square, which we already found to be the square root of 2. So the area of the triangle is just half base times height. In our case, the base and the height are the same, so we have a half times 2, which is 1. So we have the area of the triangle. So we want to find a ratio of the two. All we have to do is just write them together. 1 to pi minus 2. Now, looking at the answer D is the right answer. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you love this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.